just got it. I made a great shot. Got the deer. It's gonna be a big one. I'm out here. I'm using my trusty Diamondback 380. Made a great shot. Dropped the deer, and that's all I can say. I don't know how to turn it. Let's see if we can get you guys a view of where the deer was. Can't really do it, but I can turn it around. The deer was right out over there, and then he took off and ran over that way right there. So I'm gonna get down out of the stand and go try to find him. Woo! I shot him somewhere over here. Good shot, hard shot. He ran down this line over to here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, there it is. Yes. Let's get over here and take a look. Oh my God. What a beauty. I got her. There she is. I got her. I got her. You see where I hit her right there? Big old nice deer. I got her. That's gonna be good eating right there. We're signing off. It's Black American Outdoor TV. Y'all take it easy. All right, guys, if you're ever looking to hunt some amazing whitetail, any good country bar, any good area that's heavily populated with trees, you can find some deer. But there's nothing like a good whitetail deer to top off dinner in the afternoon for you and your family. God bless.